Oh my candle. Okay, that's a 10% right there. That's a 10%. That's a 10%. Come on, give me a fill. Up to ETH. The Ethereum meme coin trenches are absolutely popping off, and I've been streaming my live trades on Twitch. So if you guys have interest in watching me trade live, then hit the link down below. Watch me on Twitch every single day. But in this video, I need to show you guys how to start trading meme coins on Ethereum. And if you're watching this video, then you've most likely traded meme coins before in the past. If you're brand new to meme coins, then you've also come to the right place. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to find success A to Z trading Ethereum meme coins. Now, the crazy thing about meme coins is in the past, most of them have been deployed on Solana. You probably know about Trump coin, Peanut, Goat, Chill Guy, all these crazy narratives that ran on Solana. But as of recently, coins have been running on Ethereum. As you guys probably know, this asteroid coin has been absolutely popping off, and this is kind of what sparked the entire movement on the Ethereum blockchain. This coin was deployed 590 days ago. But thanks to Elon Musk's interaction with it just 7 days ago, the coin waked from 0 to roughly 30 million, and it hit an all-time high of 215 million market cap, and it's hovering around 133 million right now. Other coins like Wojak have had insane run-ups, insane candles, went from literally 0 to all the way to 60 million market cap. We're seeing coins go from 0 to crazy high ceilings, and the volume is returning to levels that we have not seen in a long time. And just in the past 7 days of me trading Ethereum meme coins, since that asteroid coin popped off, I've made roughly 11.6K in profit, and I've been consistently averaging roughly 2 to 3K profit per day. Roughly 12K profit, not bad, averaging out to roughly 30K a month profit at this current rate. And I am securing all of these profits not only from the Ethereum blockchain, but from every other blockchain trading on gmgn. If you guys are not already using gmgn, make sure to use the link down below. It is by far the fastest, cleanest UI when it comes to trading Ethereum meme coins, and the fills are absolutely insane. The cashback, everything about it makes trading these kind of meme coins that much easier. If you guys want the best free trading terminal, use the link down below. It's gonna get you higher cashback, better fees, better rewards. Sign up using the link, take a couple of trades, and let me walk you guys through my exact Ethereum setup right now so that you guys can catch the next 20, 30, 50, $100 million market cap runners and secure some nice profits doing so. Now, the most important thing once you get on the gmgn app is actually just coming to this trending tab and finding where these Ethereum coins are launching, where they're getting volume, and catching the wallets that are actually buying these coins so that you can get in relatively early before they have these crazy run-ups. And pretty much gmgn makes it so easy in that you can see Ethereum new pairs and you can filter coins by trending. These two are going to be volume metrics and coins based on how old they've been launched. And this alone puts you ahead of 90% of traders, because not only do other terminals not have Ethereum, they don't have filters and volume metrics and systems in place for you to find coins this early. Now, let me actually show you guys my new pair filters. As you can see, I only see about 4 or 5 coins here. Just today, we had this America is Back coin. This coin went all the way to 8 million market cap. Literally, look at what I drew here. Up only, it literally went 0 to 4 million in like 5 minutes. The volume on Ethereum right now is absolutely insane. You don't want to be missing out. Let me show you guys my new pair filters. Back to the trending tab, new pair. You're going to go up here and you're going to click this filter button. And I really only have 2 filters for new pairs. What do we want to track when we're buying new coins? We want to make sure the coins we're buying are not rugs. So we're going to put market cap to at least 12K. This kind of gives us some sort of cushion, so we're not buying coins that are really, really low that might rug instantly. And we're going to change 1 minute volume to 2K. We want to see coins that have at least $2,000 worth of vol in the last 60 seconds. This also means that people are buying, selling, and it's gaining volume, and that's all we want to see, especially when it comes to new pairs. Like, we only see 5 coins right now. This is exactly what we want to see, because if you just stare at the screen for 12 hours a day, I guarantee you're not going to miss the next runner. Another tab I love is the trending tab, and I pretty much have the same filters on this trending tab. 12K market cap, 2K 1 minute vol, and this allows me to just see coins that are still somewhat old but getting volume as well. They're trending in terms of volume on the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minute time frame, the hour time frame. In terms of the past hour, this floor coin is getting the most volume. I mean, just look at this chart. It went all the way to 10 mil, back to 2.6 mil, and it's back to 15 mil market cap. And this all happened 2 days ago. This is when the coin started running up on the 21st, and it's currently the 23rd. 2 days, 15 mil market cap. There's so much money and so much volume on Ethereum right now. You guys do not want to be missing out. Another feature that I love on gmgn is just being able to bookmark good coins. Like this America's Back coin is running as well. This is kind of a PvP. Also, gmgn is warning me that this is a honeypot, so you do want to make sure when gmgn warns you, these banners will pop up. If it does say it's a honeypot, it's most likely a honeypot. You want to stay away from these coins. They're rugs, they're scams. Just click off of it. But let's go to trending. Let's sort it by 1 hour. This coin, Bobina, 300 days old almost. It just kind of candled out of nowhere. So let's do some research. Let's say I want to save this coin, do some research on it. I'm going to click this star icon here, and it's going to add it to my watch list. As you guys can see, my Ethereum watch list is pretty clean. I'm seeing Asteroid, Wojak, couple old ETH coins, another Asteroid coin, and now I've just added Bobina. This allows me to do research on the coin. I can click on this button here. It's going to pop open Twitter. Can find the Twitter page, can do some research. It's followed by CK, who's actually the lead dev of the Joe coin, which I just showed you guys on my watch list. His coin is sitting at 11 mil market cap. So this might be a good sign for this coin. It's followed by the dev of Joe coin. And it's just small things and nuances like that that allow you to become a better trader and do more research and find coins before they pop off. And at the end of the day, that's really all we're here to do. Now, when you do find a coin you want to buy, I like to have this instant trade panel toggled. So come over here to the right-hand side, and you're gonna click this button that says instant trade. And from here, you wanna click your buy settings, and you wanna filter your buy settings to where you have MEV protection on. That's the most important thing for the Ethereum chain. You need to be MEV protected, or else your fills are going to be absolutely awful. So this button right here, it's going to, by default, it's going to be on the left side that says off protection. You want to hover to the side that says MEV protection and click it on the right side for all of these. So you're going to have the shield, shield, shield. Then this is also just as important. You're going to click the sell settings button and make sure the shield is on for all of your cells as well. This is the most important thing. You can copy all the other settings if you want. None of those really matter. 21% slippage, 25 GUI, like these don't matter as much. You do want slightly higher slippage and slightly higher GUI, but MEV protection is the most important because this is going to ensure you get clean and good fills. And when it comes to scouting and finding coins, that's pretty much it. I literally just gave you the sauce. Trading on gmgn puts you ahead of 80% of traders. Having the filters that I just gave you for completely free puts you ahead of the other 50% of traders. And just by staring here and waiting for good narratives, you're gonna find coins early. Now here, I'm gonna drop some clips for you guys from my streams. I'm gonna show you guys some clips as to me finding a coin early, round tripping some profit, being up 5, 10, 20K. Make sure to use the link down below to trade on gmgn so that you can get clips just like this, reactions just like this, and profits just like this. Hope you guys enjoy these clips. I'm gonna play them for you right now, and I'll see you right after I finish playing. Only these two are trending. Imagine they run Oncon ETH. Bro, somebody candles it the second I say that. Oh, okay. That's one way to make some P. Oh yeah, I can actually see this kind of going now that I look at it. Like Oncon ETH. I'm already up 100%, bro. Oh, okay, candles, nice. Up to ETH. Oh my gosh. Okay, never mind. Dude, just like, what are these candles on ETH? Oh my candle. Okay, that's a 10% right there. That's a 10%. That's a 10%. Come on, give me a fill. Never mind. Never mind. Don't give it to me. I don't deserve it. Yo, Zeus, what's up, bro? Yo, go hit up this tweet. I might give away some stuff to some people. Run it up. Finally got a semi-decent cook on stream. If you guys aren't already watching my Twitch streams and you're not already trading on gmgn, the link for my Twitch and gmgn signup are both going to be down below. Definitely recommend you guys sign up on gmgn, use the link down below. It's going to get you higher rewards and lower fees. And just watch some of my streams if you get bored and you want to trade ETH coins with me. This is what I'm doing to trade ETH coins. It really does not have to be that complicated. At the end of the day, fundamentals and the foundations remain the same. Mev Protect on, gmgn, new pairs, a couple volume metrics, and just like that, you're going to be able to find all of the really good coins. Definitely do not sleep on Ethereum. If you're only a Solana trader, don't be lazy, make the bridge, switch to gmgn, take some trades, and I guarantee you're going to find more success on Ethereum than you are Solana, because this chain has actually been giving traders opportunities. I appreciate you all for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you took something away from this video, then definitely hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Say what's up in the Twitch chat. And I look forward to seeing you guys not only in my Twitch chat, but definitely in my future YouTube videos as well. If you have any questions or comments, definitely drop them down in the YouTube comments below. I'll go through and answer any setup questions you guys have. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.